I think it might be easier if we fell away to the bottom of the sea. I bet it might be easier to flee, run for the hills where you can't find me. But I don't wanna just run away. Now when your love is right in front of me, this ugly love, it won't go away. Straight to my heart like I put you in my veins. I've been waiting for you to come and pull me back down. All the weight of the truth is taking me to the ground. I say love ain't always pretty, sometimes it's ugly, ugly. You say love ain't always pretty, sometimes it's ugly, ugly. I keep coming back, begging you for more. Watch my knees as they fall to the floor. Want you to push, you always take the shove. You don't need this broken kind of love. I set the rules, are you gonna stay? This is a game you might not wanna play. Passing through hell on my way back home. I feel the loneliness seep into my bones. I've been waiting for you to come and pull me back down. All the weight of the truth is taking me to the ground. I say love ain't always pretty, sometimes it's ugly, ugly. You say love ain't always pretty, sometimes it's ugly.